Welcome. Now we can see about Delta Car share latest news. Today it went up to 8% because of the news that they will be demerging their company into two companies. One namely Delta Penland Private Limited. Another one will be Delta Corp itself. I mean Delta Corp online gaming and casino will be a separate company, and their hospitality and real estate company will be a separate. It will be separated as Delta Penland Private Limited. It will consist of reality and their hospitality business. Gaming will be a separate company. So it went up to the 10% today. Now we will know the technical analysis. What will be the Delta Corp share price target, Delta Corp share analysis, next resistance levels and next support levels, entry, exit and all we will come to know. First we will see the trend. If you see the all-time trend, it is upward only. Almost from 2011, it is upside only. 5-year trend, downtrend only it is. 1-year trend also, you can say downwards to sideways. 6-month sideways only. 3-month downtrend only. 1 month somewhat sideways only. Now we will see what will be the next targets. First we will see the downside targets. Downside target, if you see today, it closed Delta Corp just below the supply zone as formed. So there is a reversal line. It should not fall below the reversal line. Delta Corp, if Delta Corp gives a breakdown below the reversal line, the next support zone will be at my demand zone 131. Again, if Delta Corp breaks down, there is a 1-day down trend line, which it gave a break out yesterday. So you can see, actually today only it has given a break of 25th. The downward trend line with the gap up, it gave a breakdown, but again it is trying to come to touch the downward trend line. There's a gap also, and there is a 1-day uptrend line also. So it will be a very good support. High risk investors can take entry. How to take entry, that I will explain at the end of the video. So if Delta Corp comes below the reversal line and break down below the demand zone 1, it will target my heavy demand zone. Again below the heavy demand zone, if Delta Corp gives a breakdown, it may come to demand zone 2. Now we will see the upside targets if it gives a breakout. Before that, please subscribe and like without fail. I am not compelling you. At least I know definitely you come and refer my levels. When you come again to refer my levels, don't forget to subscribe and like. This is supply and demand concept. 94% success rate. You can see in my playlist. I am Ganesh Babu, JB Investor Zone. I am a civil engineer. Disclaimer, I am not a SEBI registered share market consultant. This is purely an educational purpose video only. These are all the benefits of watching my channel. You can go through. These are all the shares for which I have done the analysis. You can go through and refer my playlist. 94% success rate is there. So now we can discuss the next update targets. So if Delta Corp gives a breakout above by supply zone 1, the next target will be 137 at heavy supply zone. That it should give a breakout should happen with a big candle and strong volume. Again, if heavy supply zone gives a breakout with strong volume and big candle, then it may target supply zone 2. Again, similarly, Delta Corp, if it goes above the supply zone 2 with big candle and strong volume, it may target supply zone 2. Only entry can be made if Delta Corp gives a breakout above the any supply zones with big candle and strong volume or with a gap up. Then only entry can be done, or when there two trend lines are meeting. So if there is a breakdown near the trend line that comes near to the demand zone, let it be heavy demand zone or demand zone 2, you can make an entry when there is a bounce back. How to make an entry, that I will explain now. You can see Tata Steel share, that I will explain you. You can see one on 17th I gave a published a video. You can see 2 at my demand zone 2. At my demand zone 2, it bounced back and went above the demand zone 1. Then exactly you can see the heavy demand zone, which was a support, it became as a resistance. You can see at 3, it took resistance. Next day there was a gap up, and again exactly at the supply zone 1, it took resistance. Again next day you can see it gave a bounce back, also a gap up above the supply zone 1 with big candle and strong volume. So it went exactly up to my major supply zone. So and it took resistance. Again today you can see it exactly it is doji formed at my major supply zone. So this is the power of supply and demand. Even you can see my previous videos also, so that you can see my axis point also exactly at demand zone 1 it took support after I released my video on 23rd. So big candle and a strong volume also exactly almost near to my supply zone 1 it has taken a resistance. So this is the power of supply and demand. So please share, like, subscribe to that file to get the benefit. Thank you.